Hello there. Europe has seen some very stormy weather recently. That's thanks to a front that stretches all the way from the southwest through central areas, continuing to the northeast and more northern areas. And that heavy rain has caused flooding in southern parts of Austria. We've got more rain to come here over the next few days. It is pretty stagnant, though it will slowly slip its way further east, bringing that heavy rain to southern parts of Poland, to the Balkans as well. We have got some warnings out for those thunderstorms for northern parts of Italy. And the wet weather continues to push its way further east into western Russia. Now, behind that, we're seeing wet and windy weather across Scandinavia, some wintry weather coming into Norway, and some warnings for some heavier rain in East Anglia in England. There's that heavy rain in Spain. It continues Monday into Tuesday, and you can see the heavier falls moving their way further east over the next few days. Now, that's a cold Arctic wind blowing down from the northwest. That's going to knock temperatures down for the likes of London. We're going to see something of a divide west versus east as the heat continues to pump into the southeast. For places like Greece, and have a look at Athens, we've got sunshine through to Thursday, and we could see 40 degrees Celsius there. Hello there. Let's get the weather for South America, and we'll start in the very south because we're expecting more severe weather to sweep into Chile. That's just days after heavy rain caused a landslide in one of the coastal cities to the west of Santiago. Now, an area of low pressure is bringing more in the way of wet, windy, and even some wintry weather into more southern and central areas over the next few days. We are expecting that heavy rain to touch into Santiago on Thursday, and that'll bring the temperature down slightly. Now, temperatures have been lingering below average across more southern areas, but across that central slice, they have been above average. There's more in the way of fine, dry and sunny weather to be found here, particularly for eastern areas of Brazil. But the heavy rain continues across the northern crust of South America, and we are expecting more heavy rain to peak for Central America and the Caribbean. You can see that line of showers and storms stretching across from Florida as well as the Bahamas, rashing into western areas of Cuba, and some of those touching into the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. There's more heavy rain to come further south of this. We'll also see some of that rain starting to pick up in northern areas of Mexico, and some of the heat building in the desert southwest in the US.